This feels so good. Hey everyone, Steve here with Memory Express. I am very excited that we are taking a look at the Huntsman and Huntsman Elite today. We're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing, show you what's inside. I'm pretty pumped because I have not done an unboxing in quite some time, and Razer was kind enough to send us not one, but two of their keyboards. Let's get hunting. I'm horrible. I thought it would have been more apt to have a hunting and be like, oi, let's unbox this. First thing I see here is the packaging. I like how minimal it is. We're greeted with our standard message, welcome to the cult of Razer, which has always been a staple in Razer products. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm a little disappointed here because where's the Kool-Aid pack and my free t-shirt, so. Come on guys, if I'm gonna be in a cult, I gotta drink the Kool-Aid. We of course have our standard Razer warranty information, our welcome certificate to the cult of Razer. And of course, the most important thing that I was looking for is our standard Razer stickers. They're in chroma RGB, if you guys can see that. Pretty cool. So if you're like me, I like putting stickers on everything. My computer case is littered with them. This guy doesn't come out, just pops up, so be careful opening your stuff because I'm very particular with this. And this kind of looks like a ship from Star Wars if you really want to talk about it. So we got the foam protectors on the end here, guys. And if you're like me, I like putting everything back in the box where it came from, just because I know where everything is for the whole sake of protecting my products in the future or reselling. Just, I view it's great to have. So we're gonna pop all the fun stuff in the box here. I'm just gonna toss it to the side like a pizza box. We're gonna talk a little more about this keyboard. So the first thing I noticed, guys, when I touch this keyboard here is the matte bottom here. I really like how it is. It feels very sturdy. And then the brushed aluminum on the top here, guys. So let's talk about the keycaps here, the new Opto-Mechanical keycaps here, guys. So what makes these guys a little different is the new Razer Purple. That is where our optical switch comes into play. So this is the all-new Opto-Mechanical switch by Razer, which uses light to actuate. So we're gonna talk about that a little more later. So what I like about these keys is how light they feel. Feels like I'm hitting a really soft cloud here and, well, plastic cloud here. I mean, plastic clouds are dangerous for the environment, so I mean, that's a horrible analogy, but feels a lot like your standard blue key or the Razer green, so it's very responsive. And then, of course, your little protector for the USB Type 3. I dig that Razer does theirs in green. It just makes sense. It's Razer, it's green, right? So that's what's inside the box, guys. We're now going to take a better look at the keyboards, how they work, and some of the key features. The Razer Huntsman is part of an all-new family lineup for Razer, debuting with all-new Opto-Mechanical switches, which Razer claims to be the fastest switches in the world. Crazy, right? So, how do they work? The Huntsman uses the new type of switch, which uses light to actuate, which has never been done before in keyboards. Hence the name Opto-Mechanical, or Razer Purple for simplicity's sake. So, what does this mean for you? How does it affect you, the gamer? Well, the keyboard responds faster with this new lighter feel. The keys are noticeably lighter to the touch and function way smoother. Helps with anti-ghosting. Durability and longer life. It's estimated to last up to 100 million strokes, which is 2 times this current standard for mechanical keyboards. So it really blows that 50 million out of the water. So both Razer keyboards do feature the Razer Chroma RGB. What sets them apart? So one of the first features you're going to notice that's a big difference between the Huntsman and Huntsman Elite is this leather pad. So it's magnetized, so it sticks right to the keyboard, easy use to take off as you saw. So if you're a marathon gamer like myself, you're jumping into some World of Warcraft, some Destiny 2, or my favorite marathon game, Roblox, the Huntsman has you covered with this premium leather pad. It just feels great. One of the other key features we're going to notice here is the RGB lining the entire keyboard here. So if you want to entertain yourself or you just really like RGB, Razer really hit out of the park with this one. The Huntsman Elite also has additional features here, such as programmable media controls. So all you Spotify junkies out there, when you're getting ready for that raid in Roblox or World of Warcraft, or in a really solid game mode, you have these brand new key features up here that allow you to control volume, skip song, and, well, mess around with your music. Alright guys, and that was a quick overview of the Huntsman and Huntsman Elite keyboards, which will be available shortly in Memory Express. The Huntsman you can get for $209.99, and the Huntsman Elite for $279.99. So I'm Steve from Memory Express. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications when we go live. So I'll see you guys in our next video.